Okay, Crystal, do we want to go down Blimp Road? Blimp Road, here we go. One time I came down here and I didn't have my camera and I seen the biggest snake I ever seen. And he was big. I thought it was a rattlesnake, but after thinking back and watching all the shows, pretty sure it was a python. It was big enough you didn't want to get near it, that's for sure. Yeah, this is 2 miles down, 2 miles back. If you can see the blimp flying up in the sky, white speck up there, that is the radar blimp. Supposedly it's Homeland Security. I know if you bring a drone down here, you'll hit a geo-fence. It's the absolute no-fly zone. I'm wanting to say it's somewhere about right where I'm at. How we doing? That's my kind of job. Yeah, see ya. Maybe they're making the bike path better. Whoa, somebody lost. Oh, survey control. Do not disturb. Control point. Lucky I didn't run it over with my bike. Thought it was a piece of cardboard from the garbage truck. That's the landfill. And actually it's just a transfer station. All garbage down here gets hauled back to the mainland or recycled. And in either case, I'm gonna say it goes back to the mainland. Right here, if you come down on weekends, they race. A lot of times you'll see remote control boats down here off to the left because they got good parking off to the right, but they'll be racing them or just playing around with them. And the wind blow you over today. 10 to 15 knots. But it's nice and warm. January 19th, 2021. Who'd have ever thought that COVID would still be with us? see off in the distance. Probably can't see that well on the GoPro. That's where the blimp gets tied down when it's too windy to fly. I better pick up the pace. Crystal's leaving me behind. Not for long. And you're flying. I can't keep up. What's your heart rate?
1,000.
It probably is. How come we're going that fast? So we don't lose our battery power?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'd have to stop for a nap if you went that fast all the time. Okay, end of the road's coming. There's proof. Road ends 1,500 feet. What do we got here? A deer. Deer. Key deer on Blimp Road. They're not friendly around here, and that's good, because people would feed them if they were. That was pretty cool. That's the second cool thing we've seen today. First I thought it was a dog. Yeah, that road to the left, you don't want to go down it because you get to turn around. If you got any ideas about bringing your RV down here, don't. Because 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. it's a $100 fine. And don't park in the turnaround. Bring your boat down though, because they got a nice boat ramp.